The recent allegations against Jay-Z and Diddy have sparked significant conversation and controversy, with the details becoming the focus of public speculation and intense media coverage. The claims, originating from a civil lawsuit filed by an anonymous accuser referred to as Jane Doe, paint a harrowing picture of an alleged incident from over 2 decades ago. According to the accuser, she was 13 years old at the time and was invited to an after-party following the 2000 MTV Video Music Awards. She alleges that during this event, she was harmed in an intimate and non-consensual manner by both Jay-Z and Diddy. The lawsuit has since been amended to explicitly name Jay-Z alongside Diddy as a defendant. The allegations themselves are shocking, not just because of the gravity of the claims, but also due to the prominence of the individuals involved. Both Jay-Z and Diddy are global icons, not only for their contributions to music, but also for their influence in business, philanthropy, and popular culture. Allegations like these serve as a stark reminder that fame and influence do not make someone immune to scrutiny or above the law. For the accuser, coming forward against such high-profile individuals represents a significant risk, as she faces not only the legal teams of the accused, but also the court of public opinion. Despite these challenges, the allegations raise critical questions about the systemic issues in industries that often shield powerful figures from accountability. These allegations have elicited a variety of responses, not only from the accused individuals and their legal teams, but also from the public and the families of those implicated. Tina Knowles, mother of Beyoncé and mother-in-law to Jay-Z, found herself at the center of the conversation when she reportedly liked an Instagram post discussing the allegations. This single action set off a firestorm of speculation, with some interpreting it as a subtle statement of awareness or support for the accuser, while others dismissed it as a simple mistake. Tina later claimed that her account was hacked, a defense that was met with skepticism by many observers. For Tina Knowles, a figure often seen as a matriarch of her family and someone who carefully curates her public image, this incident was particularly striking. It raised questions about whether her actions were accidental or deliberate, and whether they signaled any deeper knowledge of the situation. Critics of her explanation argued that a hacker gaining access to her account would likely do more than simply like a controversial post. Others pointed out that Tina is no stranger to social media, often using it for personal and professional purposes, suggesting that she may not be as prone to accidental actions as some might think. However, it's worth considering the broader context of Tina's position. As a mother and public figure, she is likely deeply invested in protecting her family's reputation. Her public support or condemnation of Jay-Z in such a sensitive matter could have profound implications for her family dynamics and their public image. If the like was deliberate, it might signal her alignment with those seeking accountability. If accidental, it highlights how even small, unintentional actions by public figures can have outsized consequences in today's hyper-connected digital landscape. Jay-Z and Diddy's legal teams, meanwhile, have aggressively pushed back against the allegations. Jay-Z's attorney has characterized the lawsuit as frivolous and rooted in a desire for financial gain, pointing out inconsistencies in the accuser's statements. They have also argued that the case falls outside the statute of limitations, a common challenge in legal proceedings involving historical claims. Diddy's representatives have echoed similar sentiments, dismissing the lawsuit as a baseless attempt to exploit their client's wealth and public profile. The legal strategies employed by the defense highlight the difficulties inherent in cases of this nature. Allegations of abuse, especially those that occurred decades ago, often lack physical evidence, relying instead on testimony and circumstantial details. This makes the pursuit of justice for survivors particularly challenging, as the burden of proof in both civil and criminal cases is significant. For the accused, mounting a defense against claims from the distant past requires extensive resources and strategic legal maneuvering. This dynamic can often result in a public perception that prioritizes power and money over truth and accountability. For the public, the situation is a complex one. On one hand, the entertainment industry has a long history of allegations of abuse and exploitation, with many survivors coming forward in recent years to demand accountability from powerful figures. On the other hand, the passage of time, the absence of physical evidence, and the high-profile nature of the accused create an environment where opinions often diverge sharply. Some view the allegations as credible and consistent with broader patterns of abuse, while others see them as opportunistic or lacking in substantiating details. Public opinion is further complicated by the cultural stature of Jay-Z and Diddy. As two of the most influential figures in hip-hop, their careers have transcended music to encompass entrepreneurship, activism, and philanthropy. Fans and supporters of both artists may find it difficult to reconcile their public personas with the allegations, leading to cognitive dissonance and polarizing debates. This phenomenon is not unique to this case, but reflects a broader societal struggle to hold beloved figures accountable while acknowledging their contributions to culture and community. The inclusion of Jay-Z in the lawsuit, particularly after initially being referred to only as Celebrity A, adds another layer of intrigue to the case. Questions have also arisen about the unnamed female celebrity allegedly present during the incident, with speculation ranging from high-profile figures to lesser-known individuals. The mystery surrounding this person has fueled conspiracy theories and drawn even more attention to the case. Jay-Z, for his part, has publicly denied any involvement in the alleged incident and has described the lawsuit as an extortion attempt. In a statement, he emphasized the toll that the accusations have taken on his family, particularly his children. He expressed concern about the impact on his daughter, Blue Ivy, who is now at an age where peers and media coverage could expose her to the details of the allegations. While Jay-Z's statement conveyed frustration and a sense of injustice, he notably refrained from addressing Diddy's involvement, a decision that some interpreted as a strategic move to distance himself from his co-defendant. The broader implications of this case extend beyond the individuals involved. It serves as a reminder of the challenges that survivors of abuse face in seeking justice, particularly when the accused are powerful and influential figures. The entertainment industry, in particular, has seen a reckoning in recent years, with numerous allegations of misconduct coming to light. Cases like this one highlight the need for systemic change and greater accountability. At the same time, the case underscores the complexities of addressing historical allegations. Legal systems often struggle to balance the rights of the accused with the need to provide justice for survivors. In this instance, the passage of time has introduced significant challenges, including the reliability of memories, the availability of evidence, and the application of statutes of limitations. These factors make it difficult to determine the truth and to achieve a resolution that is seen as fair by all parties. As the case continues to unfold, it is likely to remain a topic of intense public interest and debate. The involvement of high-profile figures like Jay-Z and Diddy ensures that the story will be closely followed by fans, critics, and the media alike. For those seeking justice, the hope is that the legal process will provide a clear and definitive outcome. For the accused, the priority will be to clear their names and protect their legacies. Ultimately, this case reflects a broader cultural moment in which the actions of powerful individuals are being scrutinized more closely than ever before. It is a reminder of the importance of accountability and the need to create systems that support survivors while ensuring fairness for all involved. Whether or not the allegations are ultimately proven, the case has already had a significant impact, raising questions about power, privilege, and the pursuit of justice in an industry and a society that often struggles to reconcile these issues.